Well, good morning. Well, I have to prove that the sum of exterior angle is always 360 degree, but sum of interior angles keep on changing. So, see, I have taken three figures, okay, in order to prove them. One is a rectangle, this is an equilateral triangle, and this is a regular polygon. Okay, first of all, let's start with triangle. You can see that, or you know that the angles of a triangle, equilateral triangle, is 60 degree. So now I'll just extend this. So you know by linear pair that this will come out to be 120 degree, right? Similarly here also it will come out to be 120 degree, and similarly here also it will come out to be 120 degree. How it is coming 120 degree? By 60 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. So since it is linear pair, okay, when I draw a line it becomes a straight line, so its angle will be 180 degree. So 60 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. From here x you get as 120 degree. So you get the one exterior angle as 120 degree. Similarly there are three, so you get the overall sum of exterior angle. Sum will be 120 plus 120 plus 120, and you get the answer as 360 degree. Now what about the sum of interior angle? 60 plus 60 plus 60. So sum of interior you will get as sum of interior you will get as 180 degree in case of a triangle. Now let's move to this rectangle. This is 90 degree. Again same thing we will do. This will also come 90. Here also this will come 90. Same as we did in triangle, here also. So you can see that you will get four different exterior angles, and so sum of exterior you will get as 90 into 4. I hope it is visible. 90 into 4. So you will get as 360 degree. What about the interior angles? So it is 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90. So sum of interior also here you get as 360 degree. So you can see that the sum of, it is not visible, so I will just do it at the top. The sum of interior here you get as 90 plus, again 90 into 4, so you get as 360 degree. Okay, now you know that you can see that in this interior angle sum was 180, here it has become 360. Now let's see this regular polygon. Now you know that in a regular polygon the angles are 108 degree. So once again I will just draw it. I draw a straight line that will show the exterior angle, and so 108 plus x you will get this as I have a very small board, it's not visible. So what I will do, I will just erase this. So you get this as 108 plus x is equal to 180 degree. So x you will get as 72 degree. And so one exterior angle you get as 72. You have 5 exterior angles in the case of polygon. So sum you will get as 5 into 72, and you will get it as 360 degree. So again the sum of exterior angle in the polygon, when the sides have changed, now the sides have become 5, but still sum of exterior angle is 360 degree. What about the sum of the interior angle? 108 is the interior angle, so you can do 108 into 5. Where should I do space? Okay, this side I am doing. So sum of interior is 108 into 5. So how much you will get? 540. Not visible? 108 into 5 is visible, na? So 108 into 5, and you will get it is equal to 540 degrees. So you can see that the sum of interior angles have changed from 180 to 360 to 540, but the sum of exterior angle have remained constant, that is at 360 degree. Thank you.